Welcome, welcome, welcome. MW will kill again trading crypto. Welcome, retail fam. I'm recovering slowly. But sometimes it hits in again and again. So it's ups and downs. Okay, guys, enough about that. But, I promise you, I'm going to make a vid today. So it's important to make a vid. Why? Because money is not waiting. Money is always going on and on and on and on. And I have to keep you guys updated about what's going on in the markets, what's going on with crypto, altcoins. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money every freaking day. Every day, how to make money. And, well, we're going to talk about that one. I'm going to show you guys 5 altcoins. Yes, 5 altcoins again. Showing a lot of power up and down. So I'm going to show you guys the 5 altcoins to trade the coming 2 days or 3 days again and again and again. And maybe one of those altcoins will be that one that will make you a 5x, 10x the coming days, or it will make you huge gains on the way down. So the 5 altcoins will be coming also today because we're pretty late here today. It's a late stream, so I think that most of our usual retail firm members will not be in this live. So I hope that they will watch it in a later stadium. But we're gonna talk about altcoins and what's going on. It's gonna be a big show today, guys. You know why? Because it's late and I'm gonna take my time, a little bit of education, how to make money every day. And after that, we're gonna talk about the altcoins. Also gonna talk Powell today. We've got Powell going on, I think in, in 2.5 hours, I think he will speak. Well, let's see how the markets are going to react on that one, because that will also play a big role on if we're going short or we're going long on our altcoins or even on Bitcoin. So we're gonna talk about a lot of that. Also a lot of huge gains on gain trading Crip. The team and their members have been killing it today again. So it's Memecoins also today exploding in the morning. So also huge gains on the team. They timed it perfectly. So they shorted the crap out of that pump. So it's gonna be really a big show today. So we're gonna talk about so much. We're gonna talk about altcoins, meme coins, how to make money every day, financial markets, Powell. It's gonna I hope that we can close it down in like 1 hour or 2 hours. I really don't know, because there's just so much to talk about today. So first of all, let's get the music running. Push the like, please, guys. Push the like, especially at this time. So push the like so people can find our vid and find about the best trader on the webs and the best alpha share on the web. So share the vid as much as you can and let the music run. Boom, boom. Okay, thanks. What do I got over here? Mama, bonjour, Zupark, Medic, Rob, Willem, Dutois. What do we got? We got Luca, John, we got Des, the moderator in the house. Welcome, bro. Ek Nadika, we got Alice Koener, William Silva, Matthew, Powell, Louise, we got Castle Garner, Mad Dog in the house. Mad Dog, I'm so happy that you're with us. Yeah, Mad Dog is in the United States. He cannot be with us on our live streams, but so glad that to see you here on the evening streams for Europe. Let's see, what do we got? Roy Goer, Amilos, Egon, alles Koener, Walid. Hope you're safe, bro. John, Rosie, Sonia, Top Dog, the moderator. Oh my God, this guy. Sorry, Top Dog. I saw your DM, but you know, I'm just so sick having so much things running. So I'll get back to them. Alpiman is in the house. Amos, Capians, Vitolo, Snowy, BTC, Silva. What do I got? Rob McCourt, Beak. What do we got? Mario Peters. Music is on. Jeroen, Morgan, Tiblu, Vitolo, Rosie, George. Hi, bro. What do I got? Amiros. Music. Oh, the music is running. Oh my God. Check. Music is off. Okay, music. Oh my God, it's so good that I do this check. Okay, guys. Tunes are on. Yes, it's off. It's off now. So welcome all. I didn't say anything yet. Was just greeting my retail fan, Prince. Okay, guys. How to make money every day again and again. Yes, well, I've talked about this already a lot of times, but you know, in my opinion, the only thing any retailer in the world, especially if you're trading, you have to focus on is how to make money today. So tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow, let's see what happens tomorrow. But you have to be focusing on the markets, especially while we are at a bubble level, especially on the bubble level. So you have to be a trader. It's just, you know, it's just what it is. Because if you ain't gonna do that, you will get 1,000,000,000% wrecked. So you will get wrecked if you're not gonna trade, if you're not gonna short, if you're not gonna keep a big bag of cash ready for the blood, you're gonna get wrecked. So if you're gonna buy in now on a lot of altcoins, you're gonna follow this blah. Well, Bitcoin is run up and the altcoin season is coming and we're going to the moon and now it's the time to buy in. Yeah. Well, whatever, because why? You know, I don't just talk crap. I show you why I think what I think. And at this moment, what we're seeing is that altcoins, especially most of the altcoins, are just reacting to what Bitcoin is doing. And we're going to talk about those ones in a moment. So every time when Bitcoin just makes, let me show you, when Bitcoin just makes a candle like this one, for example, you see like 90% of altcoins also making these candles, or maybe even worse than this one. So just explain to me when all these people are saying, and you know, guys, I'm not going to talk about influencers or scammers or whatever. It's not about that. It's just for me because I know that's what you guys are reading. That's what you guys are seeing. That's what you guys are reacting on. And that's what I want to warn you about. Those guys in those suits, you know. I'm warning you guys because if altcoins are just reacting at this moment to what Bitcoin is doing, what does that mean? So if your altcoin wants to make that run of 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x, it means that Bitcoin needs to go to 300k, 400k, 500k, so you can make that 10x. Agreed? So that's the story, because while Bitcoin is making this dump down, most of the altcoins are also coming down. So be very careful, because what if Bitcoin just makes a correction back to where it left? Let's just say that Bitcoin will just come back to the indicator, like it has always been doing, because always Bitcoin comes back to the indicator. So it only has to come back to 75k. That's all. Only this move, an altcoin could dump with 50%, 60, 70%. So is that so? This is on a spot back. I'm not talking about leverage, because on leverage you get liquidated. It's almost 100% sure. So be very careful. So that's why I always also say what has been proven past weeks, months, is that we're just doing like this: go up, dump, up, and then dump, up, and then dump, etc., etc. That's what money is flowing. And money is also very important for the ones that are watching this stream and don't understand the narratives of crypto. Crypto is also money flows from one project to the other. And from that project to the other, you know, when you follow this look on chain, guys, what you see is all those meme coins, for example. You just see, okay, this wheel just made $58 million on some meme coin. But how did he make that 58 million? By selling. That's how he made it. He sold it. He dumped it on the markets. And do you think that he will go and buy back again? I don't think so. Because why? He's going to use that money to go buy the next new project or the next bottom. So what they do is they you know, you have to see it like this. This is Bitcoin, so it's not about Bitcoin, but you know what happens is they buy in. Let me show you guys something like, for example, this grass. Let me give you guys this grass coin. You have to see it like this, guys. The team, we shorted this top. So we are in huge gains. So the ones that have been buying on spot over here, I'm just giving you guys an example. This one was on my chart. So the ones that bought in on spot this move up, on leverage only on a 10x or 5x or whatever, just on this move down, you made more money over here than these guys that bought in on spot over here. You made more money just on this dump. But you have to recognize these dumps. You have to recognize when to go in. And what happens when that happens is you need that indicator. Because that indicator is the key for you to make that money every day again and again. And how do you do that? Well, I'm not going to talk about it too much. But let me show you guys just let me show you guys. For the new watches over here, what you do is very simple. Over here, you just follow it, for example, for 15 minutes. It closes below it over here. This is your entry, exit, your entry again. Exit, you take profits, you wait, entry again, and so on, and so on. You wait, over here again, exit, retest, and this is how you make that money. But this is, by the way, on the 15. You can also do this on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it's even easier. Over here, first candle below it. Okay, time to short. Over here, you go out. You wait. Over here, this is the retest. You wait, you're in again. Over here, out, retest. Over here, you're making that money again. But you have to be patient, not greedy, and just know what you do. So this is how you make money every day, again and again. So let me first of all go to this one, guys. So enough about that. Let me go to this one. So the US 500. So let's just say that this inflation isn't going anywhere. You know, I've been saying this now for months now, and I have to be honest that the data that is coming out, I think it's a lot of crap, because inflation is much higher in reality. And we, all the people that are living and doing groceries and buying cars and buying whatever out there, we know that inflation is way more higher than what the data is showing us. So this inflation, now comes the time, because the elections are over, so now you will get some more realistic data coming out, in my opinion. And the first thing that we saw that inflation was a bit higher than expected. One moment, please. My nose, 1 moment. So we got Powell doing its thing again. So we're cutting rates, but you know, when inflation starts going up again, what is Powell gonna do? Is Powell even gonna stay? I really don't know. So, but what happens when Powell sees that inflation comes up again, PPI, etc.? Will he act again and keep the rates as they are or even high them up? So this is something to keep in mind. But first of all, let's forget about all the circus. Okay, this is my chair for Alpimant. Let's forget about all the circus and all Powell, whatever. It's very simple, guys. We made this big rise up, retested the indicator. Big rise up, retested the indicator. Up, retested the indicator. Now we went up again. We will retest the indicator again. It's gonna happen. The question is when, but let's just keep in mind that if this thing comes back to retest the indicator, and let's all pray and hope that we will not lose the indicator and it dumps more. But so let's just keep it, let's just say that we stay bullish. We're not gonna become bearish, we're just gonna stay bullish. So if this thing will come, just retest this indicator, so we come back to the 5500, this will create a lot of pain in the markets. This will also create a lot of pain in Bitcoin, guys. It's just what it is. It will happen. It will happen. So we have to be ready for that. So that's something that I'm eyeing. Also, this thing is going bananas. Are you seeing this? We broke out. Let me put it on the daily, the DXY. We broke out. Well, we almost hit the zone over here. And rejected over here. So this is also, this DXY is going bananas. And let me tell you this, this is even for me something new, because like 90% of the times when the DXY makes a run up just like this one should have been down around here. Now we should have been around the 5K 53. So this is something new. So this is something even I am struggling to understand, how this rise up didn't destroy this one. This one should be at 5K at least. So this is something new, and it's for me also a challenge to understand what's going on. Well, I know what's going on. They're just destroying the euro. That's what's going on. But how the markets are not responding to that, that's very, very strange. For me, it's very strange how the markets are not responding to that. So we got this euro is the one feeding that DXY. So that's, we hit over here, you see the support zone. So that's why we also got a rejection. But let me show you guys something more important, how to make money, because this is work. You know, I teach you guys this a lot of times, but I'm gonna repeat myself on it. Listen, look at this, guys. Look at this. I want to show you this. Suppose that you went short. Okay, you went short. And you want to know, wait a minute, I need to know when to take profits. Because if you, I know that many of you guys don't see this or don't understand this. But listen, if this rise goes up, you got the indicator as long as we're below it. I already showed this in the previous vids, like we did over here, like we're doing over here, like we're doing over here, like we're now doing over here. So every time when this thing gets tested on the indicator, it means close your shorts or take profits or take huge profits. Because that's what trading is all about. A lot of people, they don't seem to understand this. Let me explain myself. Listen, as long as we're below it, so over here, over here, over here, let me show you. Over there, over there, over here, over here, over here. As long as we're below it, you have to believe in it that it's resistance, and resistance is resistance. So if this thing gets resisted, Bitcoin will probably bounce up. And when Bitcoin bounces up, altcoins most of the times also, not all of them, but most of them will also bounce up. So when you got this chart and you got this indicator, oh, by the way, if you don't have this indicator, I'm getting so many DMs. If you don't got this indicator, you have to be trading on BITUNIX, Blofin or Weex. The links are below. Just trade over there. It's a non-KYC exchanges. You can trade on them all over the world. No VPN needed. They all are solid exchanges with reserves. Don't be afraid. We got our own GTC and Wilkiller help desk. So if anything goes wrong or there is something, you don't have to go to their help desk and wait for like hours. No, just DM me and I'll get you in touch with a real person responsible for the retail fam. And if there is any issue on any exchange or whatever. So let me get back to this one. So if you see this, what you do is you take profits. So if you are in any short, you wait. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the USDT dominance chart? It's over here. Okay, now it's time to take profits because I can show you this. Listen, look at this. Okay, these are 4-hour candles. Let me show you. Let me show you. You see this? This is also 4-hour. You see this dump? Look at this dump. You see this? This dump. Let me show you. You see this? Up. You see? And then over here, green, bouncing up on the indicator. This is also on the indicator, but the rejection, the resistance, up, down. Yes, Alpiman, focus what I'm saying now. Focus Alpiman. So this over here, resistance. Over here, support. So if you see, because this is very big over here. So this is pretty big. Because you could also open up a long over here. It could dump to the bottom of the indicator. But this thing will help you because this thing is not at the bottom, at the top, at the bottom. It's at the top. So this will create and helps you figure out that, okay, it's time to close some shorts or even flip long. Even flip long, especially if it shows you something like this. So I hope that you guys understand what I'm showing you now. You've got the PAX-G. It's also the same story. Look at this. Look. Look, see. Look. Over here. Look over here. Got this resistance over here. This was the pump when the pump happened. And then over here, this was the second big pump that happened. And over here, now, rejected, Bitcoin is bouncing again. So it's the same story. It's the same story. Just like USDT dominance. Because why do you think I'm showing you guys these two charts? These two charts will give you the confidence to make your trades long or short, long or short, long or short. Because that's what it's all about in trading. Forget about all the crap around it. It's all about knowing when to be short, knowing when to be long. And it doesn't matter if you're trading an altcoin or whatever, or Bitcoin or Ethereum, doesn't matter. The only thing is you need to know when to be long or short, because that is what gotta make you a lot of money. That's what's gotta make you rich or change your life financially. You have to know when to be short, when to be long. So that's what I'm educating you guys over here. This is how you can do that. Because you see this one, see this one? That's about this one. You see this rejection over here? Let's see if it, maybe I'm just talking crap. Well, when was this? This was Saturday, 9 November, 1700 hours. Okay. Saturday, 9 November. 70, this is it. Are you seeing this? You know, guys, I didn't check this. I'm just doing this together with you. You see this? 1700, it was over here. You see? Boom. Look over Paxi. Look. Look. It was over here. Are you seeing this? Look. Over here. This was it. So it came to the indicator, rejected, boom down, and that meant Bitcoin boom up. It's that simple. It's that simple, but you just, yeah, you know, you have to understand this, guys. I'm trying to educate you guys how to make those gains. I'm just saying you have to know how to make those gains, guys. This is and this is exactly what I want you guys to learn. So, okay, well, enough about this. So I hope that you guys understand now how you can make that money every day, again and again. Mixing some water. So let me go to dominance. What is dominance doing? Dominance is just chopping around over here, chopping around, so nothing You know, guys, we need things like this. We need like this to happen. That's when you see those altcoins make those big gains. You need like this. So it needs to dump and even dump harder. Okay, so now it's time for the altcoins, guys. It's time for the altcoins. So time for the altcoins. Let me go. First of all, guys, this coin. By the way, let me just say this, guys, because I saw Game Trading Crip. They were sharing something about this in their group. These guys, I don't know, it was something like, I think they entered somewhere over here or something. I don't know. I really have no clue. And they had their take profits over here, and something over here. So they hit boom, boom, boom. They hit 50. It was something like 57%. 57% on a spot back. Just imagine how much that is on a 20 or 30x leverage. So they just nailed this pump up. It's incredible. But guys, why am I showing you this coin? Because this coin is showing a lot of volume. So just keep in mind that this thing is at this moment, it's dumping very hard, because this is really a big dump on this coin. But the volume is still very solid on this coin. So I want you guys to keep an eye on this coin. You guys know how to keep an eye on it. You know how it works. You know how it works. It works on the indicator, 5 minute, 15 minutes, and just trade the crap out of it. But you know, the volume on this coin is really it's big, and it keeps big. But now we're just dumpy. So if you're on any, let me show you guys over here. See this? Are you seeing this? This was your entry. This could be your entry. This is an example of a small loss over here. This was your entry over here, and this was your exit. So over here you would be out. You would be losing a small amount. Wait. Over here, this was your entry. And guys, you see, I'm just trying to give you guys some education on how to trade the indicator. Over here, this was your entry. Over here, it closed above it. So over here, you lost a 2.5%. Let's say on a 1x. You wait. You just wait like 1 hour, and then you get your confirmation over here. So this will be your next entry. Look at this. Look. Your next entry, you would be now running in a 13.5% on a spot back, on a 1x. So this is how it works. So keep an eye on this. People, guys. People. Okay, let me go to the next one. It's this one, this Act. There's a lot of FOMO going on. It has a Binance listing, whatever. Let me tell you this. The team asked me, MW, do you think it's a short? I told them, yes. I think it's a short, but it was over here somewhere. They traded the indicator out of fear. So they're running in some gains. They didn't share this one, by the way, in their group. But this is time for this thing to go down. That's just my opinion. This thing is way overbought. So this is how money is made. So this is, you just use the 50-minute or the 5-minute even. And you just wait for it and then just make money. Because this rise up was really madness on this Act, and they will take profit. So I'm not surprised if this thing will dump even more. I really have no clue. Let me see on the 1 hour. Yeah, we're losing the 1 hour as we speak. So if we'll close below it, just keep in mind, guys, we didn't close below the indicator from 2 cents. And do you know what the price now is? It's 70 cents, almost 95 cents it hit. So I would, let me just say, I'm off the charts the past days because I'm very busy with my health and went to the doc and whatever. But let me just say, if I would be on the charts, I would in a free private group tell them to start DCA shorting this coin around the 92, 93 to the $1. I would have given that call, especially with this double top. I wouldn't even use the indicator. I wouldn't care about the indicator. I would just say, guys, start shorting the crap out of this one. Start shorting it. I would have given that call, especially on this double top. And But it's, guys, do you see how much more this thing could dump? I'm just saying, guys, this thing, let me show you this way. This thing went up a 35x in a matter of, what was it? In a matter of, what is it? 3-4 days. 35x. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. You know, I said it. Let me see. Is the team shorting this crap? I cannot see it now. I cannot see it. Oh, we closed below it. We closed below it, guys. We closed below. Oh my God. Is the team watching this stream? I think they are watching. I think they are. Are they shorting this crap? Are they shorting this crap? Are they shorting? I have to see if they're shorting, because this is live, guys. That's about this evening. This is live. Are they shorting this crap? I think they are shorting it. Let me see. I have to see it. Are they shorting this crap? These damn bastards. I think I can. You know, I cannot see it. Why can't I see it? I cannot see it. But you know, if they're in a short, I think that they will be in around here. I think that they went in over here. But guys, we've got confirmation on the 1 hour. So let's see, where's the 4 hour? We're over here. So until these levels, I see some possibilities over here. I'm just saying. Even if it would bounce up, let's say it bounces up to the 76. That might be an entry. That might be an entry. So this would be the best part if it would go up over here, 75, 76, and then from there, boom, down. So, you know, this is, if you join my live streams, I will show you this. And then tomorrow you'll come back to me and tell me, oh my God, you guys, you're crazy. I know I'm crazy. So keep an eye on this act. So this act, a lot of volume, but to me, this is a lot of volume to the downside, not to the upside. So to the downside. Keep an eye on this one. So let me go to the next one. The next one is this thing. When? Are you guys seeing this? Just watch this. Watch this chart very good and tell me what you're seeing. Are you seeing this? This is when made a nice rise up, comes to the indicator. This bounce up from the indicator is 11%. Guys, 11% is a lot of money. 11% is a lot of money, especially on leverage, because it would be 11% on a 30x, it's 400%. About 400%, not. So, do you see the power of the indicator? Do you see? This is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to use this indicator. This is a trade. By the way, guys, when showing a lot of volume, so keep it on your radar, up or down, just keep this thing on your radar when it's showing a lot of power. So this is altcoin number 2. The third one, this GST, this one didn't ramp up. Is the team watching this? Let me check. Are these guys longing this, or are they? Let me check. I have to see if they are they longing this. These freaks, they watch my shows always. You cannot see them in the chat, by the way. Those guys use another platform to watch my streams. What the crap are they? Are they longing this? Yeah, guys, it's live trading today. Today it's all about live trading. But you know, we've got Powell today in a couple of hours. So everything you do is risky. So it means if you make gains, you have to secure them right away. Right away, secure the crap out of them. So keep an eye on that one also. By the way, this JST crap, whatever it is, this coin is, I think it's Tron related. By the way, guys, Tron is one of the most undervalued coins in my opinion. Tron, did you guys know that most of the transactions done in the world are done on the Tron network. This Justin's son has got so much money, guys. It's incredible. But so this is related to Tron, by the way. But guys, look at this pump up. Back to the indie. So it's cooking now. It's cooking. It's cooking just like you saw. It's cooking. So if Bitcoin will allow, you'll probably see this thing ramp up again. Could be. Could be. If you lose the indie, then it's another story. Just get out. It's not your world. But for now, this thing, that's why I say support is support, resistance is resistance. That's just the rule in trading. That's how you make money. Just don't change your view or change your opinion based on your feelings, your emotions, or whatever. For now, this is support. So when support is support. So when it's support, you have to, in your head, you have to keep in mind that this thing might go up until proven otherwise. It's that simple. So as long as it's above it, it's above it. If it goes below it, that changes everything. But you have to, don't let your emotional greed or hopes get in the way. So this is number 3, guys. Keep an eye on this JST. A lot of volume going in over here. A lot of volume going in over here. So this was number 1, 2, 3. Let me go to the 4, 5 is this. This is the next one, guys. This, this thing is, look at this, guys. This is Adventure Gold. Okay, whatever. Adventure Gold. Look at this pump. Look at this dump. This is why, guys, we trade whatever we see on the charts. So this pump up, this was a scammy pump. And look at that dump down. This is incredible. But you have to keep in mind that there is still a lot of volume going on over here. So if we put it on the daily, what we're seeing over here is that we went above the indie, retested it, boom, up. So if we will come back over here, keep an eye on this AGLD. This is, in my opinion, something also NFT related. So I don't love NFTs or whatever. But at this point, the money is flowing into this coin very heavy. So, I don't know. I don't know. Keep an eye on this AGLD or AGLD or whatever it is. So keep an eye on that one. Another one that I'm seeing also, we already talked about this one, I think yesterday, is this alt thing. What is it? Oh my God, look at this spike up. Seeing this, oh my God, when did this happen? Also, you see these pump and dumps. That's why you have to always, if you are in anything, just take the damn profits every time, again and again. This is why I'm educating you guys and warning you guys that you guys have to be day traders. Just trade every day, make your money, get out. Because, if someone would have bought in at, let's say someone bought in at alt over here, whatever, and he's holding, and then he made over here, let's just say this pump up, he made almost 70%. Guys, a 70% on a spot bag is a lot of money. It's almost a double. And if you're a hodler, you just lost 70% again. So you made, let's say you bought in 10K over here. So your 10K was 17K, and now it's 10K again. that 7K just went like, pfft. So that's why, guys, please don't be that hodlers. No financial advice. Everyone should do it whatever he wants. But I'm just saying, guys, you just don't be the hodler. Just when you see a pump like this, there's one guy. He's also in the private chat at this moment. He's over here. He was holding a coin, and that coin made a 150% up in a day or whatever. And, and then he asked me, DM me, MW, what should I do? Well, the first thing that I told him is take the damn profits. Take the damn profit. At least take half out. But no, but it made a 150% and it's going to the moon. Whatever, that's greed talking to you. Your emotions are talking to your greed in your body is telling you it made a 150% and it's going to the moon. That's the greed talking to you. Just take the damn profits. Well, he listened. and he took out 75%, and the price dumped down to his entry again. And well, then I get a very happy DM. Thank you, MW, for your lessons and for your teachings. Without you, I would be totally on tilt. I would be totally emotional because I would have lost, I think it was something, not lost, but it was, yeah, he would have lost something about 23K. 23K of gains. He would have lost his gains, and it was 23K. So you know, this is why it's very important that you guys always tune in on these live streams, because I'm trying to teach you guys that in crypto is a dangerous business. Crypto is, if you don't own the skills, if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna get totally wrecked, guys. Okay, so now it's time for some meme coins, guys, because I want to talk. I saw the meme coins, and I want to talk about some meme coins. So let me show you guys some meme coins. So first of all, this one has been shorted. This one has been shorted by the team. This Popcat is really a cash machine, guys. It was this double top, almost lower high, and then boom down. So they made a lot of money. But this Popcat is a cash machine, guys. Popcat, it's very simple. Every pump you see on Popcat, just start DCA shorting the crap out of it. It will make you rich. That's just Popcat. So let me show you guys some other ones, because this is, I need another list. Let me show you guys another list. Oh, by the way, XRP. Oh my God, look at XRP, guys. Look at XRP. XRP is really, guys, XRP is really bullish as the crap. Someone is pushing this thing. I talked about it yesterday. It was over here, like you're seeing over here. So this is what I tweeted about it. So the dams are fighting back. The dams are fighting back, but only from here. While Bitcoin was also dumpy today, it's a rise of almost 27%. So just saying. But you know, it was not about that one. I wanted to show you guys something else. So let me show you guys the meme coins. I want to talk about meme coins. Yeah, what did we see? We saw this one. We saw this one pumping up. This one. See, bonk. Boom, 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 boom. Keep an eye on bonk. Let me remove all this old. Bonk is showing a lot of power. So that's about bonk. There was another one ramping up. This cock. So a lot of meme coins popped up. This cock. What did pump? Also, there was more. Yes. Peppa. Peppa has been shorted by the team. Look at Peppa, guys. Look at Peppa, guys. Look at Peppa. Just look at this. These meme coins are really ruling the crypto markets. They're really ruling the crypto markets. And this is really huge, by the way, guys. This is really madness. This is really mad. These meme coins are just where the money is flowing now. I already said this in my previous live streams. Look, this is a 2.5x, 240% in 2 weeks. So these meme coins, money is just flowing meme coins. But you know, the team shorted this, by the way, today. They were like, okay, Peppa, it's enough. Okay, it's time to short the crap out of you. So they shorted this one over here. They made some nice gains on Peppa today. But Peppa, keep an eye on Peppa. I will probably share something about Peppa. Yes, I think I will prepare the free private group members to short Peppa. Not yet, until I say so. I will give the call on Peppa. So Peppa also pumped up very strongly today. There was another one that I was eyeing also. Where was it? Oh, by the way, guys, this was that birdie call. What is it doing? It's just chopping around over here. Keep an eye on this one. I don't like the tokenomics about this coin, by the way. I really don't like them. there was another coin I want. Oh yeah, Doge. Yes, it's time that we talk about Doge. Doge. Okay, well, this is Doge. It's time that we're gonna talk about Doge. So Doge. There was one guy. He called me today. This is a personal contact, and he told me, MW, I'm thinking about going all in on Doge. I told him, what? He told me, yes, I'm going all in on Doge. Why? It's because Elon Musk, he's now related to Trump and he's getting this Doge, whatever, this Doge department or whatever. Yes, I told him, what Doge department has nothing to do with the Doge coin. Yeah, but he told me, but you know, I'm just thinking about going. I told him, okay, wait a minute. So I showed him this chart. I told him, is this when you went to go all in? This is where you could have went all in if you were bullish about it. Want to go all in here? Guys, you have to keep in mind, this proves how crazy people are. People are super crazy. This is what FOMO is. This is when people get wrecked. He called me, he told me, MW, I want to go all in on Doge over here. Do you understand how dangerous this is, guys? This is super dangerous. And this is someone I know. So there are probably thousands or maybe millions of people over the world that think the same. They think Doge, they're reading everything about Doge, Doge this, Doge that, Elon Musk, whatever, the new future, new government, Trump, he and this Vivek guy doing the Doge department, whatever. We just go all in on Doge. Okay, maybe he can get lucky and maybe Doge will even go to all-time highs over here. Maybe, could happen. Could happen. I'm not saying that it's impossible. It is possible. So he'll probably maybe double up his money to all-time high over here. It could happen. I'm not saying that it's impossible. But it's super dangerous. Super dangerous. If you're going to risk all your money on this, if you want to risk your money, go to any altcoin out there that is at these levels and go all in. Do your research on some altcoin and go on. Don't go all in on an altcoin that's over here. Because over here is when the people that bought in over here, they will probably start taking profits. Even if it goes higher over here, they will take profits. If it go over here, they will take profits. And maybe at some point, boom, wrecked. So, you know, I'm really trying, even when I'm sick, I'm trying to educate you guys that you know how to become a winner in trading. You can only become a winner in trading if you defend yourself from getting wrecked. If you don't get wrecked, you'll end up rich. It's that simple. You just don't get wrecked. So do whatever it is what you want to do in trading. Just don't get wrecked. Only focus on not getting wrecked. And as long as you're not getting wrecked, you are making huge gains in the process. That's what it's all about in the GTC, and that's what I'm trying to educate you guys. So for the ones that shorted this, by the way, congrats, because we entered over here this strong liquidity level over here from this previous highs that you're seeing. See this previous high over here on the weekly. So we entered over here. So it's retracing from this one. So there were some sellers over here. So keep an eye on Doge also, by the way, guys. So Doge. And if this thing, by the way, I'm just saying, guys, if this thing gonna break above the 45 cents, because there's not a lot of price action going on over here. So if this thing starts trumping over here, it could make it next big leg up. So especially on Doge, for the high volume traders in the retail firms, Doge, you can go very big on Doge because Doge has got a lot of volume on it. So don't be afraid. This thing has got, this is a big market cap, big boy. So if this happens, you could make a lot of money, especially if you go in on very high volume. So that's about that. Let me see this bread coin. You see bread? This is today, guys. Today, those meme coins are ramping up again and again and again. So if anyone tells you, oh no, a meme coin season is over, oh, it's time to sell all your meme coins and go buy some solid altcoins, just like my colleague did what was it, like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. He told them, listen guys, meme coins were totally wrecked, by the way. So he told them in his live show. He told them in his live show, guys, sell all your meme coins and buy solid altcoins. You know, I just cannot forget about that one. He told them sell them at the bottom. And after they sold them, those followers, and those are thousands of followers, they sold it. And well, after it, those meme coins all pumped up like crazy. No shame at all. Really, no shame at all. But at the same time, I did my live stream, and I told them, listen, guys, don't believe that, because meme coins are ruling the charts. They already did it like 3-4 times. Every time when we dumped, meme coins are the ones that bounce up the hardest, the best, the biggest, because it's just safe haven for VCs and scammy wheels. That's why they pump these meme coins. So Brett, by the way, guys, I'll be ready. I will share it in the free private group. Don't worry about that. So let me, what is this? Boom also trying to do something over here. Let me see. Do I got another one? Oh, this GME is also starting to do like as if it's want to go up. Let me see. What do I got? Turbo is still, Turbo is just chopping a Whiff. Whiff also, but look at this, guys, this Whiff. Look at this, guys. Do you see this? This thing went up in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 10 days, it went up 160%. And you guys know that we destroyed Whiff from here to here to here. And, well, let me just say, we will destroy it again. Just wait for my call. Just wait for my call. And if you don't want to wait for my call, it's very simple. Just put in the indicator on the 50 minutes, put it like this, wait for confirmation, and just make money. You could have made money over here. You could have made money over here. So just make money. Just make money. If this thing tops out, put the indicator on, just make money. So that's about Whiff. So Whiff is also even Shiba Inu, the dead meme coin, is also trying like to go up. Guys, don't underestimate this rise. Do you know how much this is? This is 125%. So you've got this slurve thing also pumped. You see all these meme coins, when they go up together. So what do we got? We got this baby Doge also going up with Dogecoin, whatever. So guys, these are all coins that you can trade. These meme coins are really going crazy. And let me tell you, the syndicate coins, our syndicate coins, let me go through them very fast. Let me go to our syndicate coins. We broke out. It was the nice break, retest. So this mark wants to make its next move up. I'll just wait for the call. Apu, also look at Apu, guys. Apu is trying to break out over here. We've got this Giga getting totally. It's incredible. Look at, guys, you have this syndicate coins. Oh my god! But this Giga, look at Giga. This Retardio holding the indicator over is still very strong. But at some point, these coins will all dump down, guys. Bitcoin also just chopping around. This USA. See, USA, guys. This was the buy zone that I pointed out. Remember, I pointed out this was the buy zone. Okay, if you took it, whoop, are you seeing this or not? Let me do it again. Guys, the ones that follow me, I gave you guys this call. Look at this. If you would have bought in, you could have made today a 14x. 1-4 on a spot back. You could have made 14x today. Could have made it. Over here, I said, over here. This. You see this? This chart was already here. So I've shared this. This is how I know that I shared this. I already shared this. So you could have made a 14x if you bought in over here. Just like I said. So we've got this mini crap, this up. Do you know how much money this is on a short, by the way, guys? Then you got this lock-in. It's retesting over here. Then you got this SPX. And then you got this one, guys. Do you remember this Hippo thing that I was showing you guys? These are, I think Hippo is this Sui meme coin, I think. I think it has got something with Sui to do. So look at this, guys. Look at this. This is just above the indicator back. This was your entry. Could have made it 170%. Just saying. Look at this. Look at this blub. This is also, I think, something SUI related. Look at this. Do you see this? Look at this thing, plop. What is plop? Guys, I'm showing you all these coins. You have to keep an eye on these meme coins. Let me see this goat. Goat is, by the way, guys, this thing is holding so strong. Be prepared. I'm telling you guys, we are going to be rich. We're going to get rich. We're gonna short the crap out of all these FOMO coins. These Ponzi schemes, we're gonna short the crap out of them. Just be ready. I know I'm sick and I'm busy with some other stuff also at the meantime while I'm also sick. But let me just tell you this. We will strike very hard. And we will get financially independent, shorting the crap out of these coins. I'm telling you. And you know, when I say something, look at this, Mew. Okay, well, whatever. What is this? Punk. Guys, be ready. You know what I see? When I see these charts, this is what I see. I see 5 figures. 6 figures of gains. That's what I see when I'm looking at these charts. Because I know that all these coins are a lot of... Look at this one, Mishi. I'm saying, guys, just be ready. What is this? Osak, whatever. Trump got elected and everyone has gotten totally wrecked. Do you know how many retailers have been wrecked on all these MAGA and Trump coins? You cannot imagine. Do you see what's going on over here? Do you see this, guys? Do you see this chart? Do you see this over here? From here to here. This will happen on all these coins that you're seeing. This Mishi, Bonke, Brad, Bonk, and everything that you're seeing over here, they will all look like this one. They will all get to look like this chart. I'm just saying, that's how you make money. So, okay, guys. A Degen, yes, very good. Degen, I had Degen on my list today. I had Degen. Over here it is, bro. Here is Degen. Here is Degen, bro. I talked about Degen, what was it, yesterday? I told you yesterday about Degen. No? I think yesterday I told you about Degen. I told you guys, keep an eye on Degen. Degen is showing a lot of strength and a lot of bullish. Over here, boom, 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 a lot of volume. Over here, out, out, out. This was your entry, this hammer. This was your entry. Close above it. Boom, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. So this Degen coin, this is for now, just stay out of it now. Maybe this is even ready for a short. But guys, that's why I'm saying this Degen, I told you about it yesterday. Look what it's doing. Look what it's doing. You know, I talked about like 4 or 5 altcoins, but out of the 4 or 5 altcoins, there will always be 1 or 2 that will make these pop-ups. So also the ones that I talked about today, keep an eye on them. That's all I want to say. So let me go to the chat. Let me see what the chat, DJ please, Memecoin Boron before altcoin season. I hope so, top dog. I hope so, top dog. I hope so. What do I got? What do I got? 58 likes. They don't want to like. No, you know, the people that don't want to like best, they don't want to get financially independent in crypto. That's why. Let me see. Do I got some questions? Because I've got the time today. At this time of the day, I've got some time. So if you got some questions, you can ask me the questions now. Powell, what time is it? Yeah, I think half an hour, and Powell will be on. Powell will do its thing. Why is my other screen work? Let me see what's going on with how is the US 500? The US 500 is just shopping around, by the way, now, guys. Eagled, always Eagled. Oh, people always want to know about Eagled. Let me do Eagled, guys. I don't know what it is, but it looks like the retail fam or some members, they're always interested in Eagled. Eagled. What is Eagled doing? Okay, so, you know, without even watching this chart, the first thing that came in my mind when I read Eagled, the first thing that came in my mind was, did it hit the $35 level? And if you guys remember very good, the last time when that guy was just asking me Eagled, I told him without even watching the chart, I told him, listen, Eagled if it wants to go up, it will probably go up around the $35 range. And if it gets there, that's the resistance. So if you long eagled, congrats over here. But more important, if you did short eagled over here, even more congrats to that. So this is without even watching this. Without even watching this, I knew that this was going to happen. I knew it. This is really madness. But this eagle, I told you about it, $35. You know, just go watch that stream. You know, whatever. What am I gonna say? Whatever. Let's see. Any tips on building positions? For now, I really don't know, bro. For now, I really have to wait for Powell. What's Powell gonna do? How Powell's gonna react to the markets? You know, you don't have to be always in a trade. If you want to trade all the time, you can just use the indicator and just go scalp on the 5 minutes and 50 minutes. You can just trade. You're gonna probably maybe make like 2-3 gains. Maybe you'll get lucky. You'll hit a big move. You're gonna make a lot of money. Maybe you'll get into some small losses and wins until the direction comes in. But let me just say, that's why I'm showing you guys every time, again and again, those volume coins, because those volume coins, when the indicator, let me show you the indicator. When you got those moves, like suppose like over here. Above it, and then you catch, because over here, this was your entry over here, and then over here, well, you had a small win, but over here, this was your entry for a short. But this move, you can make a lot of money. You see? And then it chops around. Over here, you can make some money, and then chops around. This is your next move to make a lot of money. So you have to be patient. You have to just keep trading it. And for the big moves, you just have to wait until I give the call. You just have to wait until I give the call. It doesn't have to mean that my call will probably be the big win. Doesn't have to be. But let's just say over the past year, my calls are more than 90% accurate. So more than 90% accurate. So just keep that in mind. More than 90% accurate. So this is something you just have to wait. You just have to wait for it. So for now, we're just chopping around. AIOZ. Pedro, I would love to check that one. But you know, that's, I think, the only coin, yes. I think the only coin on this year that I made more than what was it? I made 100x or 200x. I don't recall what it was exactly, but my bag wasn't big enough, and I'm so sick of it. So, but you know, no matter, you can put that salt on my wounds, no problem. So let me check it out how it's looking. But you know, this thing has been hurting me a lot because I knew this thing was going to ramp up. I just knew it, and I bought a bag, but I didn't. My bag wasn't big enough. I'm so sick of it, but no problem. It just happens. It happens. Oh my God. So what I'm talking about here, bro. This is when I bought in. This is when I bought in over here. This is when I bought in, yes. How much was it? Was it 100 or 200? How much was it? I forgot about it. Oh my God, this was madness. What was it? What was it? No, it was almost one. It was like 70, 80x. It was 70, 80x. I sold at 67x. I sold, but I should have bought in much bigger over here. I'm so sick of it. So for now, well, this is a nice bounce up, but I would be very careful with AIs at these levels. I don't know if you've got some knowledge or some fundamental knowledge. I don't know what they're doing, but these are the levels to be very cautious about. When it reaches this $1 again, be very careful, guys. I keep saying we have to look for those coins that are at these levels. So if you wanna try, there's like 70-80% of altcoins are still over there, guys. 70-80% are still over there. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Those ones that are over here, you have to find the next one that is gonna make that 50, 60, 70x. This one already left the station, bro. This one is already leaving the station. So don't follow these coins. So, okay, guys. Let me see the last question. Range trading. Yes, I will do the trading course about range trading, bro. I will do the a lot of this. So I'll download it for the flight. Okay, well, nice, Rob. Mud Dog, let's see. Oh, the entrance, do you try to enter along in the lower line, upper line of the source? It depends on what Bitcoin is doing, John. It depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is at the bottom, and then I'll hit it at above. And if Bitcoin is not, so it depends on where Bitcoin is. So if you want to determine where to hit it, you have to watch Bitcoin. I told you this before, John. You have to watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very important. When is the dump warning live stream coming this time? Can't wait for another perfect. You know, for now, Blue. You know those vids are not live stream vids. So those vids, when I will release those vids, not on live, I will make them not going live, and that's when I really see the dangers. When I see the dangers, for now I'm seeing a lot of dangers, but they are not dangerous enough to make that call. So you have to wait, and that vid will not be a live stream. So I will make just a vid, then I'll go dive in very deep. So guys, thank you very much for joining. I really love you all for joining in. It was a very long stream, by the way. I'm a bit tired now, to be honest. So guys, just keep trading, keep using the Indie. If you don't have the Indie, the links are below. By the way, BITUNIX, the ones that are trading over there are very, very positive about that spike, whale protection, and also liking the speed on the trading app. It's mind-blowing how fast those orders get filled. That's why I'm telling you. I'm not saying that Weex and Blofin are not good. Keep trading on Blofin and Weex, but just add BITUNIX to it and just test it out. Just test it out. So trade on Blofin, Weex, or BITUNIX. I love you all. Until the next one. I'm a bit tired again and again. Love you all for joining in. Trade well, my friends. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.